Hi, today I'm going to show you how to whiten your teeth using the opalescence home whitening with the custom whitening trays. So you will need your syringe of whitening gel. There it is. And you'll need your custom fitted teeth whitening trays made by your dentist. Okay, so if it's a new syringe of gel, then you need to just snap off the lid like that, and then you can turn it and invert it the other way to close it up again when you finished. Alright, now you need to just put a little bit, a couple of millimeters onto the inside, on the front surface of each tooth that you want to whiten. I hope you can see this. It's all very clear. Then the gel is clear and see-through, and the trays are clear and see-through. So I hope it's visible. There we go. So I've done all of them in my top teeth. Now put it on. And you've got to like press it up and then just kind of squeeze it onto your teeth so that the gel soaks in. And you kind of want it so that the gel goes up to the top of your tooth. And now you need to wear that for at least an hour, but I prefer to wear it overnight while I'm asleep to be the most effective. And then when I wake up in the morning, take it out and then rinse it with water, brush my teeth and brush the tray and clean it as well. And if I need to, I might soak it in water with a denture tablet. I hope that helps you know how to use your home whitening kit. Thank you for watching.